100 clips, 2Ks, eh? Boom gang, 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 boom gang. Niggas talk shit, let the AK spray, even got another stick if it's.
Yo, son, what's good?
Yo, what's good, alright?
Yo, we got one. Let's get this nigga, son.
Why these niggas following me, B?
Yo, let me holler at you, son.
I'm good, fam. I'm good.
Yo.
These niggas is wild. I know these niggas is about to do some stupid shit.
Are you good, son? You lost?
So I'm good, fam. I'm going this way. I know where I'm going.
Come here, son. Come here. Let me ask you something, son.
Right in front of the church. It's a church.
Yo, what that red about? You
Yo,
cuz of blood.
It's just a red hat, fam.
Come here. I think you know my
Just
cousin.
a red.
Come here, fam.
About to
Come
blow
here,
it.
yo.
They're about to be out.
Chill,
Let's
yo.
get
That nigga, son.
Where you going? Fuck boy on there.
Man, niggas over here. Shit.
Yo, what's good with you, B? Sour, loud, haze, dro. We got that out here. You
Who
heard
that
me?
nigga over there?
Hold up, fam, laughing like shit sweet out here,
Fam,
B.
fam.
Yo,
So what you
yo,
trying to say,
ain't
niggas
say
is
nothing
soft,
to you,
B?
fam.
So I'm
No,
just
look,
saying,
I'm
what you
tryna-
trying to say, niggas is
Yo,
soft?
just
dead
trying to
ass
get up
keep
out of here,
walking, my
son.
nigga, if I make you dance out here, my nigga.
Yo, come here, come here. What
Dead
you got in your
ass.
pockets,
Yo,
B?
you heard
come
me,
here.
B.
Let me see what
Keep
you got in your
walking.
pockets.
Hey,
Yo, you don't gotta touch me. L, come on, man, for real.
For real what?
We soft, though?
I didn't say that.
Y'all about to make this nigga dance out here,
Make me
B,
dance.
for real.
Yo, put that. Yo, get that.
Yo,
get
show
out.
me the Harlem Shake, my nigga.
Alright, man.
That's
Nah,
not how you
I
do it,
ain't
my
it.
nigga.
That ain't it.
Look, hey.
Do that
Aight,
shit
man,
right
look,
before I
look.
put
Yo,
a hot
I
one
Now
on
he
your
tryna
ass, my
run,
nigga,
B.
for real. Yo, come here.
Where's Shorty at?
Yo, Mo. Yo, Mo. What's up? You looking for somebody, Mo?
Waiting for somebody.
Yo, Mo kinda fresh, B. Yo, Mo. What size is those Tims, Mo?
Them joints is crispy, Mo.
This nigga's trying to take my fucking Timbs out. These niggas is
Yo,
crazy.
Mo, you too fresh out here, Mo.
Yo,
What's
fam,
up?
shit, you don't gotta walk up on me like that.
That's a nice jacket, though,
Word.
Mo.
Nice
Word.
jacket. Here we go again.
Word, look like my jacket. Ha.
Like,
Yo, Mo, I
Yo.
gotta ask you something. Come here, Mo.
chill out. Listen, you ain't gotta throw nothing at me, man.
I'm about to grab this nigga, Mo.
Yeah, about
Come here,
to
Mo.
do-
Oh, let me talk to you, Mo.
Your man wildin' right here.
Fam, you gotta take that Bronx shit off your head before you get your head taken off. Pause.
This Harlem, my nigga, don't get it fucked up.
Nigga, you from Harlem or the Bronx? Which one, B?
Fucks with Harlem and the Bronx. My nigga's not even that
This
serious.
nigga here.
What part, my G?
Harlem.
Yeah, what part of Harlem or Bronx? Nigga, you walking around here looking like a fucking tourist right now, my nigga. Straight up.
Nigga, you bugging trying to confuse niggas. Where's you from, fam? Straight up. Where you from, my nigga?
See, now you trying to be funny, my nigga. You gonna pull out the New York hat? Where from New York, my nigga?
Everywhere.
Everywhere, like where?
From everywhere.
Yo, check this, fam. I'm not even feeling your energy like that, my nigga.
Push that shit. Push that shit like you be pushing that work on the block. Fucking love you. I'm about to be a daddy, nigga. I'm about to be a daddy.
Yo, my box hurting, God.
Don't worry about it, baby. I'm about to get back in that box when that baby come out. It's lit, New York. Do it for Queens, baby. Do it for Harlem, baby. Brooklyn in this bitch, you heard? Bronx. Yeah. Push that shit. Push that. What we gonna name that baby?
Letitia.
Huh? Nah.
Tawanda.
Nah.
Tawana.
Nah, I'm let that bitch have the ice cream parlor.
Keisha.
Nah, baby.
Oh, I feel like I gotta do the.
Yeah, baby. Push that shit.
I'm fresh out, it's nothing to go back.
That's not my baby.